Hi guys, today we're going to be making this delicious ham and it's going to be an easy recipe. We're going to use 1 can of pineapple slices inside of pineapple juice. We're also going to use these cherries, the cloves to hold up our pineapples, and I like to pat brown sugar on my ham. So we're going to start off by just using our cloves to hold our pineapple slices down on our ham. So this is what it will start to look like. And this is an easy, simple recipe. Now I'm taking the cherries. What I do is that I slice them in half and then I just poke one of the cloves in the middle to hold it up. And this meal that I'm making today will be for the next 2 days because I have a lot of work to do. So I wanted to kind of meal prep for the next 2 days and make something that I know that everybody loves and will not have a problem eating twice. Maybe there will be more ham left over for more than 2 days, but I know that everybody loves the baked ham and they absolutely love the lobster shrimp mac and cheese, so that's always a win here. This video will be kind of short because if I would have incorporated the mac and cheese tutorial as well, the video would have been kind of long and I really didn't want to do that. As soon as the mac and cheese video is up and running, I will make sure to incorporate both of these videos into one another. So when one finishes, you'll be able to watch the other. When it got to the skin part here, it is a little hard. My pineapple broke. I had to grab another one. It was a little hard to pierce the clove through the skin. So now what I like to do is I like to get my brown sugar and I like to sprinkle it on top, pat it in between the pineapples, the cherries, and just throughout the ham. And I do this method twice. I do it now in the beginning and then I also do it after 2 hours of the ham cooking. I will remove the ham and do the same method again. So this is what it's looking like. Now that is the pineapple juice and it looks a little red because I dropped 2 cherries in there. But this is why when I get my pineapple slices, I always like to make sure that they are sitting inside of 100% pineapple juice. And after 30 minutes, guys, that I let my brown sugar melt on my ham in the oven, I take the ham back out after 30 minutes. And I use the seasoning here over the ham. It just gives it kind of like a sweet taste to it with a little bit of kick, and it's really good. And I should have told you in the beginning, before you season your ham, make sure that you set it at 350 degrees. And 2 hours later, look what we have, a beautiful ham. So what I did here was, off camera, I patted more brown sugar into it. Then I basted the ham with the liquids that are in the bottom of my pan. And that's just regular, the pineapple juice with just the ham, you know, whatever juices the ham release. I baste the top of my ham I pat it with more brown sugar, and then I use the smokehouse maple seasoning again. So I just repeat this process twice. Extra flavor, right? Guys, so here we have it. So my Alexa went off after 3 hours, but it quite wasn't the way I wanted it. So I put it back in the oven for another 45 minutes, and it cooked to perfection. It was not dry. It was nice and moist and flavorful. This is a great recipe, great and easy actually, for family parties and meal prepping. It's absolutely delicious. So here you have it. This is our meal for the next 2 days. It's just delicious. I don't even know what to tell you. We have these little crabs here that Paul bought in our local Chinese supermarket. They come in a box, breaded, seasoned. They are delicious. The shrimp mac and cheese with the lobster in it is delicious. So creamy and cheesy. Is so good. So make sure you look out for that recipe. And I did serve it with a sweet Hawaiian roll. That is our ham. This absolutely delicious and moist. And this is our plating. This is our meal for the next 2 days, guys. Look at this ham. It is delicious. I wish I had some right now. We have more pineapples on the top of that, but everybody was eating them. All right, guys, so this is it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Bye.